Today we are going to learn greeting card with tinted sheet. The aim behind this is to make the students learn greeting card. The things required for this is A4 size tinted sheets, different color, sketch pen, scale, scissor, Fevicol, decorative material and a sheet of white paper. This can also be a tinted paper. First, I will explain you what is the difference between the tinted sheet and the chart paper. Tinted sheet is rough from both the sides, wherein chart paper is smooth from one side and rough from the other side. Now let's start the greeting card. First, I will teach you a simple greeting card. Whenever you are folding the paper, start from point to point like this. 1 point, 2 point. Keep it down and press it with your hand. The folded part, you try to press it with the scale, how you apply butter like this, so that the folders will very clean. This is the simple card. You can decorate here with the crystals or fancy stickers and write a message in this. Pattern number 2. This is like the simple card. You will fold it and then with the scale keep it on the folded side and press it. You will get a marking and then go on folding like how we used to make fan when we were small, like this. I have already made this with the paper and kept it ready for you all. Now the next part is mark it, apply Fevicol inside, you have to stick this plates. Fevicol, the technique to apply Fevicol is first apply the Fevicol in a very little quantity, spread it, let it semi dry, and then you will stick it. Otherwise Fevicol will take a longer time to stick. Now after this, I have already cut the white paper according to the size like this. You have to leave some border on the sides. This is basically for writing the message and decoration. Then by the time this part is stuck up, now keep this aside so that it will dry. Now for the decoration part with the flower. When you are making a flower with the white paper, you have to do this triangle and take the measurement. This is, you can take 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter by 6, 6, 6 or 5, 5, 5. Then fold it, then again fold it, then fold like this, and then mark it with the pen, sketch pen, This is the folded side, this is the open side. Hold it and cut it. Now open it and a flower is ready. I have already done the flowers for you. I have taken here 2 flowers. You can take single also. I have stuck up with the Fevicol over here and have used like this crystal for the center decoration. By the time this is stuck up, now take the Fevicol and stick it here. Isn't it looking very beautiful? You can write a message over here, the greetings or wishes which you want to send us. You can send the wishes for birthdays, anniversaries. You can also send the greetings for gestures like sorry, thank you, appreciation, all the best, get well soon. Also you can send the greetings or wishes for festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, also for New Year. Now one more pattern in the same way. I have done it for you. This is from the side, this is from the corner. The same way you have to fold. Stick it and then apply the flower over here, and you can write the message directly on the paper, or you can put like this white paper and do it. So these are the two patterns, and one more is simple pattern. You can use crystals like the stars for simple as well as for the patterned one, fancy patterns. These are the flowers. Keep in mind, whenever you are doing the craft, you have to first arrange the material required, and whenever you are cutting, you should keep the waste aside. Whenever you are doing the greeting card or any of the handicraft, the table should be very neat and clean. Then only you will enjoy the craft